Hi there, welcome to the Tubebuddy Affiliate Center. My name is Rob Balasabas. I'm the Partnership Manager here at Tubebuddy. I'm here to guide you through our Affiliate Center and be a resource to you if you ever have any questions or need anything. You can always contact me by emailing affiliates@tubebuddy.com. And with that, let's get started with the tour. First, to access your affiliate insights and other resources available to you inside of the Affiliate Center, just head to tubebuddy.com and sign into your account by clicking the Sign In button on the top right of your page. Just click on Sign In with Google right here. You'll be asked to select which Gmail or Google account you want to log into that's connected to Tubebuddy. And this will take you to your Tubebuddy dashboard. On the far left side of the page, you will see a tab labeled Affiliate Center. By clicking on the drop-down arrow, you can see all the options below. Click on Dashboard. That will take you to your affiliate dashboard. This is where you'll be able to locate your affiliate code and link your PayPal email address, where your monthly commission payouts will be sent to, your monthly commission data, affiliate insights broken down into clicks, installs, purchases, and commissions. To the right of that, you'll see links to the affiliate handbook and the affiliate section inside of our community forums, where you can connect and share ideas with fellow Tubebuddy affiliate partners. Back to the left-hand side of your page, you'll see the Assets tab, which will lead you to a page where you can grab Tubebuddy logos, banners, and social media images available in a variety of sizes depending on the social platform you would like to post on. Right below the Assets tab, you'll find the Quick Start section, which is a wonderful resource for learning about social media tips and tricks, along with sample copy that you can use to promote Tubebuddy to your audiences. We're excited to have you take part in our amazing affiliate program and for you to partner up with us to get Tubebuddy in the hands of as many YouTube creators as possible. I invite you to join our affiliate partner communities inside of our community forums and on our Discord server, where you'll meet fellow affiliate partners and our team members to ask questions and share ideas. I've linked to both communities below this video. You can also find answers to some frequently asked questions around the affiliate program inside our support page, such as how to change your affiliate link, how your affiliate commissions are paid to you each month, how can you download a detailed report of all your affiliate activity, and other frequently asked questions around our affiliate program. You can get here a couple different ways. The easiest way to get there is by going to your affiliate dashboard, clicking on Support on the top right of the page, and then General Support right after that in the drop-down menu. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Tubebuddy Affiliate Center and some of the resources that are available to you as a valued Tubebuddy affiliate partner. If you have any questions about anything around the affiliate program, or if you have any feedback on resources or ways to improve our affiliate program, please email affiliates@tubebuddy.com. And on behalf of the entire Tubebuddy team, my name is Rob Balasabas, Partnership Manager here at Tubebuddy. Thank you for partnering up with us, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.